In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily insert a page break in your Microsoft Word document. This is a fundamental skill that's incredibly useful for keeping your documents organized, especially when you're dealing with longer texts or needing to separate content distinctly, such as in reports or assignments. Let's dive in and get started. So first off, you'll want to have your Microsoft Word file open and ready. Locate the file you want to work with and open it like you normally would. Once that's done, ensure you're in the document where you want to introduce a page break. A quick tip here. It's often helpful to have an idea of where in your document you want this break to occur, as it will make the process more seamless. Now turn your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see the ribbon menu. This is where pretty much all of Word's functionality is located. Within this ribbon, look for the tab labeled Insert. It's typically situated between other tabs like Home and Design. Clicking on this Insert tab will reveal a whole new set of options down below. This is your gateway to adding various elements to your document, such as pictures, charts, and for our purpose today, a page break. Once you're on the Insert tab, let your eyes scan across the options until you spot Page Break. It's usually found within the Pages group and is quite straightforward to locate. To insert the page break, all you need to do is click on Page Break. And just like that, everything following your cursor's current location will be pushed down to a new page. This command effectively moves content from your first page to the second, helping to structure and separate your document as desired. Finally, with the page break inserted, you're all done. You've now successfully applied a page break to structure your document more efficiently. If you're working on a document that needs multiple page breaks, you can simply repeat these steps as necessary. Using page breaks is a simple yet powerful way to manage complex documents. By separating sections of text with these invisible breaks, you maintain a clean and professional layout, which is especially crucial when preparing assignments, formal reports, or even long letters. It keeps headings distinct and ensures the content flows logically. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. If you're excited about organizing your documents better, go ahead and give it a try. And if you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to revisit this tutorial anytime. Thanks for watching and happy typing.